Maganda siya, may fragile na nakasulat. Ano, yung pure wild honey. Ayan. Wild kaya talaga to. Pero, mabagal umangat yung bula. Malapot na malapot talaga sa loob. Gagawa tayo experiment dito kung talagang wild to. Pure honey shouldn't dissolve quickly. Pero ito mukhang fake. So anyway, pati sa kulay, mukhang fake din kasi medyo darker ang pure honey. Okay, ito yung kulay ng pure honey, kung nakikita nyo. Ayan,
It's darker.
It's darker. Tingin nyo isa.
Ako, when you brought this up, I thought it was cooking oil.
Oh, yan, layo, Ayan yung pure honey, Ito imported, binili talaga namin sa ano. So, mukhang nabudol tayo, guys. This is not pure honey. Ito kasi for the price, binili ko na ito mga 200 plus Ito, wala pang 200. So, they're just saying pure honey, but it's not. And it smells like sugar lang sa loob. So,